everybody, welcome to day 11 of the Christmas challenge at English Smart. I am Miss Adri. I'm one of the teachers at English Smart for those of you who haven't met me yet. And today we're going to be talking about some of the most popular traditions that we have in Chicago. So, to get in the holiday spirit, what we do is decorate, okay? So as you can see, here I have my small Christmas tree and some little decorations. One of these that I want to talk to you about is the nutcracker, okay? These are very popular because in the past we used them to crack the nuts open, okay? The little nuts that are popular around this time of year. But nowadays it's more like an ornament that we give as a gift every year. And this is one of the characters in the Nutcracker, you know, the play, the ballet play. In Chicago we have the Joffrey Ballet, and this is where you can see these little nutcrackers. Now, there's this tradition where we give as a gift ornaments for our Christmas tree. So for example, here I have one little snowman that one of my cousins gave me one year. Then I have another one. This is Belle. I think it's from one of the movies. And this is another ornament that one of my friends gave me. And then this is another one with some candy cane, which is also candy, very popular around this time of the year. So that is one of the traditions we have. Another tradition that we have is that in Chicago, we are used to sending Christmas cards, okay? So here we have a little Christmas holder where you can place all your Christmas cards that you receive on the mail. These are Christmas cards that I got when I was living in Chicago. And I know this is not something we do very much here in Mexico, so I just figure I will share this with you so that you know a little bit about it. Another tradition that we have is having hot chocolate because, as you know, Chicago in the winter is very cold and sometimes we have a lot of snow. We are always hoping for a white Christmas on Christmas Day. And so we prepare our hot chocolate on a delicious beautiful mug, Christmas mug. And what we do is we stir with some spoons filled with chocolate. We stir our hot chocolate and we cover it with marshmallows and we enjoy. So that is a delicious treat that we can have. We can also have our coffee, our water, and Christmassy cups. So that's another nice tradition to have. And finally, the other tradition that I would like to share with you is the stocking stuffers. So, if you have been following the December expressions, idioms, and phrasal verbs that we have been working with, we have been talking about getting in the holiday spirit, which is doing all of these things that we have here. And also, as you know, many people sometimes get a little sad or depressed around this time of year because their families are away, they are alone. And so in order to beat the holiday blues, being sad, there are a number of things that we can do to cheer ourselves up. So one of the things that I like to do is listen to Christmas music, beautiful songs that take me places, and also smelling the winter scent. And so for that we light candles, we lit candles that get this smell of pine, winter, especially if you don't have a natural Christmas tree. And I was talking to you about Christmas traditions, so here we have another one, our stocking. I know in Mexico we usually use these as decoration and we hang them on the wall and that's about it. But in Chicago, this has a purpose. We stuff the stockings with little stuffers, which are really little presents, which are not very expensive. And then on Christmas Day, when the kids come down, you know, when they open their presents, they also grab their stockings and they check what is inside. So some of the stuffers that I have for this year, just a little deodorant, some Christmas chocolate. I have a little ornament, Christmas ornament, because those are important, as I mentioned to you. A little hand lotion, and I have some Christmassy earplugs and mascara. So little gifts, maybe giving you ideas so that maybe this year you want to try one of our Chicago traditions for Christmas. And basically, I think this is what I wanted to share with you. Of course, no Christmas is Christmas without our little Grinch. And I have one. Let me show you. This is my little Grinchy, okay? He hates to wear sweaters or any kind of accessories, and that is so sad because I love it. As you can see, I am dressed for Christmas. I already have my Christmas earrings, my necklace, my pin, and so I'm just so sad that Goliath here doesn't like to be dressed up in Christmas stuff. But as you can see, I got him a little sweater, and so he's ready to celebrate the Christmas. So guys, just to finish off, I think that today we learned and we reviewed some pieces of vocabulary that we have been working with. And so, just to refresh your memories, we have the nutcracker, which is an ornament that in the past used to be a device to crack open the nuts, be able to eat them. We have the Christmas card holder, you know, for the Christmas cards that you receive on the mail. And then we have a mug with hot chocolate. This is our little Christmas mug. And we were talking about the holiday spirit, all the things that we can do to feel the love, the generosity, the goodness in people, and to beat the holiday blues. So in order not to feel sad, the things that we can do to cheer us up. And finally, the stocking stuffers. So maybe this year, instead of just hanging your stockings on the wall, you can probably fill it with presents and surprise your loved ones. Anyways, thank you guys for listening to this video, for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below so that we know what it is that you think about what you have been learning, and so that you can share with your friends, and hopefully you will continue to watch and learn. Okay? Thank you guys. Have a Merry Christmas.